let's take a look at how Fathom can answer another different type of simulation question for us. Here once again we have Hoops for Hunger, and Ashley is collecting donations. She claims her free throw percentage is 60%. She knows that once she makes her first shot, she can kind of get her rhythm going. However, she wonders how many shots she will have to take to see her first free throw go in the basket. So she would like it to be the very first shot because then she gets kind of comfortable. But maybe it'll take 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 shots before she sees that first basket. So here I have a collection where we have a total of 5 cases. And notice 3 of the 5 are M's for making the shot and 2 are misses. 2 are X's for miss. And that matches our 60% free throw percentage. So what we're going to do now is right click on the collection and say sample cases. But we don't want to sample 10 cases. We want to sample until she actually makes a shot. So we're going to change this and say until shot equals an M. So we want to run the simulation but then stop when she makes that first throw go into the basket. So we're going to say OK. And we're going to replace the existing cases. We'll turn the animation off. And we have with replacement checked here because we want to make sure our free throw percentage stays 60% each time. So I'm not removing items from this case table. So let's sample more cases and see what happens. So here we can see that there are 2 cases in here, or 2 samples in here. Her first shot was a miss, and then she made it. Let's do that again. Replace what's in there. This time it also took 2. Try again. And now it took 3 times. Notice her first 2 were misses, X, and then she made it on the third one. And it'd be nice if we could keep track of how many shots she has to have to make that first one go in the basket. So we're going to collect a measure here called count. And over here I'm just going to say in the formula window, count the number of shots. And notice this turned blue because that's a formula that exists in Fathom. It's recognized, and this shot here turned kind of a purpley pink, and that's because shot is a attribute that's recognized by Fathom here as well, since we've called it shot over here. And notice here we have a 3. Let's try this again. And now we have a 4, and if we go back here we can see it took 4 shots. We have a miss, a miss. Oh wait, she made it. What happened there? Let's take a look here. We need to replace the existing cases. Let's try that. There, 1, and our measure count is 1. Try this again. 1 again. 1. And there it took 3. There we go, and our count should be a 3. So let's have Fathom collect the data for us. We'll have, rather than having Ashley actually do this 100 times and see, you know, does it take you 1 try or does it take you 4 tries until you see that first free throw go in the basket, let's have Fathom count that for us. We'll say collect measures, which it's doing, and it's collected 5 measures. So if you take a look here, the first time she did this it took 2 shots to get the first one to go in, so she had a miss and then she made it, and then she got it on the first try. Third try was the first one where it actually went in. First try, and then the first try. So let's actually create a graph of this attribute here. We'll create a dot plot. And I like doing this here because we can kind of watch what happens. And we know we don't have 0 here. We know the smallest value is going to be a 1. Let's see what happens here. Let's collect some more measures. Let's collect 95. And I'm going to turn the animation off so this doesn't take too long. There we go. We can see the most common thing to happen would be a 1, that she would get it on the very first try. But if she's very unlucky, it might take her 6 attempts. She'd have a miss, a miss, a miss, a miss, a miss, and then finally make it on the 6th attempt. That happened in 1 of these 100 simulations. Let's do another 400 simulations. and that happened pretty quick. Once again, 1 is the most common. So hopefully Ashley will get her first free throw to go in the basket so she can feel more confident and get her rhythm going.